Good job.
Very good.
Keep going. Like a little piece thing. Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What's in there? What is it?
Keep tearing.
Keep tearing. Look,
Tear
there's a
it.
big
What
piece
is
right
it?
here.
Big piece. Just pull it. Pull it
Yeah.
hard. Pull it hard. Yay.
Keep going.
Yay.
What
Keep going.
is it?
What's this?
Wow.
What is
What
it?
you got? Is that another present?
Ready? There's something inside this box.
What's in it, Caroline?
Let's open it up and see.
What is it?
Wow. Wow, they are so cute.
Oh, pretty. What's on there?
What else?
What is it? Are they new PJs to wear for Santa tonight?
Wow.
Those are adorable. Jim, where'd you get
Hey,
those?
there's no birdies on them.
Wow.
Birdies.
Santa Claus is going to be very happy to see you in those jammies tonight.
Wow.
That's for sure.
Oh my gosh, they're so,
So
pretty.
Let me see, Grandma Sally, what they got on there.
What's on there, Caroline?
What are they?
You putting them
Let me
on?
see what they are.
Oh, they're so
Oh, how cute. Here you go, Grandma.
birdies.
Little birds.
Oh, no, you got to put it in two legs. Remember? You have two
Oh, here,
legs.
you got that one. That
You
one's
got
good.
that one good.
Try this one, Jessie. No. There you go.
Pull it. Keep pulling.
There you go. Stand up. Pull them up.
Oh,
Pull them up, baby cakes.
Then have shirt.
Yay.
Oh my
Put the
gosh!
shirt on.
Wow.
They fit you perfectly.
Yeah.
What a great fit.
Okay, put the arm in. Put the arm in.
Sassy.